They're getting bigger.
They need to be bigger.
This one goes out to the peach tree in my front yard I call Princess Peach. Peach, you're so cool, and with my guitar we're gonna rule. Peach, understand, I'm gonna love you till the very end. Peaches, 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 I love